Hi self, how are you? I hope you are doing good, not only today, but every day. How's your life doing? Did you already achieve your goals in your life? I hope you're doing great by achieving your goals. I must say that you suffer a lot in the past, but thankfully, nakaya ka nimo and wala ka ni surrender. Sana tanang hopes na kapangan nimo will soon be achieved. In life, there is always upside down, but you must go for it and fight for it. Don't surrender because there is a big success ahead of you. Know that I am here to support you and comfort you in everything. I trusted you and I hope that you can overcome the bad things happen in your life and wait for the good things that comes up in the future. I am thankful that you already find yourself and know that you are worthy in everything. Thank you and God bless in the life ahead.